If you're going anywhere, you need this bag. We're gonna show you why.
We travel the world and we're gonna be sharing some awesome travel products with you. Let's get to it. Woo!
What spins?
Now it spins.
Wow.
I absolutely love it. I'm in love with this bag. This is the Roller Bag by Tropicfeel. And it's basically a carry-on bag that expands. You can pack so many things into it. This video is not sponsored by Tropicfeel yet. We're never gonna share any products with you that we personally don't love and use. Let me show you first all the things it has. So, first of all, we can open it. Like any bag.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Woo. It has a lot of space. You see, this here has a lot of space. It has additional bag here that you can take it out this way and that way. And actually, it's the little pocket here that you can just store your items.
Oh, that's soft.
That's soft.
That's really soft.
So it has the little soft pouch here, which you can, when you open this, you can either put it down here with your stuff or put it here if you have some little space here to store your things. It has pockets on the sides, from both sides. It has extra pockets which are waterproof, so you can put your dirtiest shoes in here or any other dirty things or whatever extra you want. I'm pretty sure I'll be using these a lot. It has them from both sides. Did they magically added some space? Technically, it would take away from the space. I mean, obviously. The cool feature is that it expands like this. You expand it. We can unzip the bag, so it adds extra space to the bag. Each size is carry-on approved. If you know your airline's restrictions, you're gonna know, okay, I can expand it, stuff more, because they're gonna be cool with it. So another really cool thing, and that was big with you, that was about the bag, is that it has handles. One handle, second handle, third handle.
Yeah.
So you can put it like this.
Yep.
You can put it like this.
Putting stuff in the overhead bins, I like to have it easy to go like that. That way you don't have to be like, you know.
That's how everyone always says.
I know you do that. That's how I go.
But now we don't have that problem anymore because we have two of these. The coolest part, and the reason why I got it, I saw a lot of videos of people struggling going through France and all the cobblestone. Okay, we obviously gonna be in like rough areas, so I need a carry-on bag that's also a backpack, that rolls, that has space, perfect size, and whatever else. So, let's see the most important part of this bag. Backpack straps!
It transforms from a suitcase to a backpack.
So now you can put your carry-on on your back. Are the wheels touching you?
No. No,
Yeah.
they're on the sides of me.
A lot of people had a concern like, oh, but the wheels aren't covered, they're gonna be touching me. Yeah, technically they could have done like a little cover on it.
What for?
Well,
They're not touching me at all.
Well, but what if you have like bulky jacket, then it might be touching you. They could have done like a little cover for dirty wheels, but it's not touching me, as you can see. So it can be a backpack, which is really cool. But what we just found out today, look at that. Ah! You see my fingers? You know what this means?
I love traveling with my fingers sticking out of my bag.
This means you can put it over your big luggage and carry it. What? They didn't even advertise it. I was like, bro.
I don't even know if they knew that they could do that.
Well, Tropicfeel, if you guys don't know, that's what your bag can do.
Your bags can do this too.
Okay, another cool thing, which most of the bag has, but it's the laptop case. And it's really big. Not sure yet how it would work with stuffed luggage, but this is my laptop that's 13-inch. So it's just so much space. I saw a lot of comments of people like, oh, these wheels are so close to the ground. They are, but I mean, they're still wheels. You're gonna roll it, unless you're gonna drag your bag. It still has like protective little things right here. And now we can see why they did put those wheels like this. As you can see, this is taking away a lot of space. 2 inches of packable space. These people who made this luggage, they travel. They know what's up. Scenario, you have a backpack and you're starting to be chased by a bear. And for whatever reason,
bears hate backpacks.
They hate backpacks. Before you start running, you have to put these away and run off with the luggage.
Okay.
Okay, let's see who's gonna be eaten by a bear.
See, the thing about bears, you don't have to be the fastest runner. You just have to be faster than the person behind you.
You're just gonna let me be eaten by a bear. You should have just gave me that and I give you this and I go. I saw someone leave a comment on this bag and they were like, I like the bag, but the extension doesn't lock midway. I'm here to tell you, he was lying. It does lock here, locked. It does not lock, like you can put it still down, but it locks, half locks, okay? So if you saw that comment and you're like, no, I want my luggage to lock halfway, it locks halfway, it locks here as well. With this, you won't put it down. With this, you can put it down, but I mean, it locks. One bag, second bag, one thing. Woo, you didn't want to fold it. So now I'm gonna try the laptop, and I'm doing this first time, you guys.
Could fail terribly.
Could fail. Okay, it's tight. Oh no, actually.
It closes.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't need to be expanded because there is still so much more you can put in there. Oh, cool. Packed.
All your clothes.
All your blankets.
All your blankets.
And a laptop. Wait, we're gonna try that out. So still can put a lot of stuff here. I don't know. There we go.
Look out for that bear.
We never ordered from Tropicfeel before. I don't know their quality, I didn't know anything. I just saw some reviews from their backpacks, so I'm like, okay, let me give it a try. I love it. So far, I really love it, and you guys can check it out. I don't have any affiliate link for this bag. I don't have anything, but I'll tell you a little secret. I did get this bag around 40% cheaper with coupon code that you can, like, you know, Google it. Tropicfeel coupon code. Try all of them. One is gonna work. That's what really got me to buy it, because they are pricey. I think they're like 400 each. That really helped with the purchase.
I think we've gushed about this bag for long enough. Let's go somewhere.
Let's go.